Preparations are being made to honor Houston firefighter Marcelo Garcia, who died in a warehouse fire last week.
And today, the woman accused of setting that fire appeared in court for the very first time.
Victor Jacobo joins us live outside Firehouse number 23. Garcia's stationed for the last 6 years. Victor, what's the latest on this investigation?
Yeah, prosecutors say they are still gathering information about the fire that caused the death of firefighter Marcelo Garcia, but they say what they have gathered so far has pointed them towards Yesenia Espinoza. She was in court today. In handcuffs, 38-year-old Yesenia Espinoza appeared before a judge in Harris County Court. She's charged with arson, resulting in death. Prosecutors allege evidence gathered by investigators points to Espinoza intentionally setting a fire at the warehouse in Houston's Greater East End last Wednesday night.
They discovered surveillance videos nearby, which showed that the defendant was the only one who had access to that warehouse at the time. And that she had dropped a red lighter nearby.
The property owner confirmed Espinoza was not allowed to be there. Another witness told police Espinoza was allegedly the only person in the building at the time before the fire started. Court documents say the fire intensified, and when firefighters responded, a wall collapsed, killing 42-year-old firefighter Marcelo Garcia.
And so we now have to basically make sure that we seek justice for him and his family, and that people like this don't get away with it.
So we will be looking into everything that the state has provided to see the best path forward.
Espinoza's bond was set at $100,000, and her attorney told reporters he'll look at evidence gathered so far to establish her defense.
Ms. Espinoza has not yet been tried in front of a court. Her story hasn't been heard in front of a jury, nor the judge, and we look forward to the day where we will be able to do that.
It comes as honors continue for Garcia, a 10-year veteran of the Houston Fire Department. A procession was held Sunday, and he's set to be laid to rest this week. A public viewing is scheduled for Tuesday from 5 to 8 p.m. at Forest Park Lawndale Funeral Home. The public funeral service will be held Wednesday at 9 a.m. at the Co-Cathedral of the Sacred Heart. As the case moves forward, prosecutors say they believe they'll be able to get justice for the fallen first responder.
Based on what the officers have said and based on the videos, it does look to be a pretty concrete case.
An alleged motive for the fire has not yet been determined. Espinoza's next court appearance is scheduled for January. Reporting live outside Fire Station number 23, Victor Jacobo, KHOU 11 News.